Today I'm going to talk about the degree of softness in oil pastels. Usually I use 6 types of crayons of different softness. The crayons are arranged in ascending order of softness. The hardest pastel is Van Gogh, then is Expressionist, next is Gallery by Mungo. On the top level is Rubens, DelGreen, and the softest pastel is Sennelier. I think it is most similar to lipstick. Soft pastels contain more oil. You will not require lots of deep tones and intensity of colors. Hard pastels have opposite characteristics. You will spend a lot of effort drawings. Soft oil pastels are good for rubbing, and sometimes it is like on work with oil paints. Hard pastels are material for graphics. You will be able to create a strict outline of the drawing with nuances of tones and details. I recommend using all of the types depending on the creative tasks. However, you will be able maximum technical results if you begin your draw with heart of crayons and then the middle. Only in the end you will use of crayons for color accents.